Hey cookies, it's your girl Yana Pirana, and I am here. Yes, you see this Amazon box. You know what time it is. Excuse my voice, I am congested. Not exactly under the weather, but very much congested. So here we are going to do an unboxing and first take on a perfume that I did not need but chose to buy anyway. And of course it's Lattafa. And we all know Lattafa don't miss. So I'm very, very, very excited because I've been waiting for this to come back into stock. Yes, pure musk. There's the sticker of authenticity. So we're going to get into this packaging. I don't know why whenever I come on here, my hair be looking disheveled, like I just don't care about my life. I promise y'all that I be having it together better than this. Follow me on my other platforms so you can see. So here is the box, the packaging. The boxes be cute, but let's get into this bottle and see what this is hitting for. Y'all, why did they give me a sample of Ragba for free? And that's been in my to buy list for a while. We'll get back to that in a second. But let's get into this bottle. Yes. Now, don't that look like it's boba in the bottle? Oh, you want to talk about clean girl aesthetic? This is 1000% that. Literally just smells clean, like clean soap, deodorant, powder. Like it is definitely a fresh out of the shower scent. It is not too harsh, so you can definitely wear it to the office. Now let's get into this Ragba. Ooh, sexy, mature, get it. I am so glad that I was able to sample this before buying it. Immediately going to buy it, immediately. So here is Pure Musk by Lattafa. I definitely suggest this for those who are not like heavy into fragrance. This is a safe blind buy. Here is the packaging. Bottle is elite, definitely going on my shelf. You need to pick this up, y'all. Look at the inside of that. Like, so much attention to the detail. Love them for that. And here is Ragba. I'm going to keep that as a purse spray. I definitely suggest that you pick that up. Did y'all know that I was this girl from YouTube a long time ago? Nobody really follows me there, but look at the views. Go hit me up and follow me over there. Pretty pleased with sugar on top. Here are the notes, just musky, powdery. Love, love, love. Like and follow for more.